In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use BIOS, Flashback, and Gigabyte. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Most modern Gigabyte motherboards feature BIOS Flashback. This is a feature that allows you to update the BIOS on the motherboard without even having to go into the BIOS itself. So all that you need is a USB flash drive or a USB stick. It doesn't need a lot of storage, but it needs enough to hold the BIOS file for the update. It is also recommended to format the USB drive in the FAT32 type or format. So choose the option to format the USB drive and format it in FAT32. Now download the necessary BIOS files. Make sure that you download the files for your particular model of motherboard. So for example, they have the B650 Eagle, but they also have the B650 Eagle AX. So this is why it's important for you to compare the models and choose the specific one that you need. Don't download mismatched BIOS files. When you click on any of these motherboard models, you will be taken into the key features page. So you will see something like this, introducing the motherboard. In here, go over to support. So click on support at the top right. This page will load, and under downloads you will find BIOS. So expand the BIOS category and download the file here. Now load it into the USB drive. Like I said before, it is recommended to format the drive and make sure that only the BIOS file is inside. With this done, you can now power off your computer. So power off your computer and insert the USB drive on this labeled USB port. So the USB drive needs to be inserted into the labeled USB port. It is going to have the title BIOS above it. If you are unsure, check the manual. Now, once you have the USB inserted here, you don't have to power on your computer. Just make sure that the motherboard has the 24-pin cable connected and also the CPU power pin, which usually is going to be 8-pin. So your power supply needs to be powered on with both of these cables connected into the motherboard. So plug your power supply into a power outlet and make sure that it is receiving power. With both of these cables connected to the motherboard, all that you have to do now is press the BIOS flashback button. On Gigabyte models, it is labeled Q Flash, but it is going to be the same technology. So look for Q Flash and press that button. Then you might see some LEDs flash indicating that the update has started. Do not press the clear CMOS button and just let this process run uninterrupted. You will know that it's done when the LEDs either stop flashing or it remains a stable color. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.